So I got this box from Kelly Beekeeping, one of my favorite bee companies. In it is 5 hive boxes, 5 10-frame standard Langstroth hive boxes, unassembled. I wanted them unassembled because I'm going to make out of this a long Langstroth hive. I'm going to be using these guys that have the dado cut in for the frame holding. One of these guys and a second one of these guys. On each side, I'm going to cut a dado in here, and then my hive will have 10 plus an additional 10, so 34 or 35 frames for this long Langstroth hive, built the lazy way out of hive boxes from Kelly, unassembled. I'm excited.